Hey Lyndon, this is Randy with Hanley Digital Consulting. We spoke today about a quick video on how to help bring more customers to your business with a better online presence. And in this video, there's going to be some really cool tips, and I just wanted you to keep in mind, even if you're not interested in my services, I'd really like to get your feedback. So I was looking at your website and I noticed a few things that we can work on to help bring more traffic to your website, obviously more revenue to your business. And there's 3 ways that we can do this. It's with content, backlinks, and citations. So content is what I'm referring to as words and images. We want around 1,500 words minimum on your homepage, and it gives us a place to put higher search keywords, and that helps take away all the guesswork for Google. And Google likes images, so the more images, and when we're saving our pictures, we want to name it with those proper keywords. So obviously we want to make sure that this image right here is saved as a keyword search that people are looking for, and you just have it saved as screenshot 2021. And then on our content, we want to make sure that we have these high volume keywords within our content, bolded and highlighted, interlinked between some of our service pages or location pages. And then we, obviously we want to add some more content. So you have a lot of service areas that you provide for. So we would definitely want to go check out some of these, keywords in this area. So let's go over here. I wanted to show you this tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and I pulled up your website and it showed me that you have a UR of no data, a DR of 0, 16 backlinks, 6 referring domains, and 9 organic keywords. So if I pull up your keywords, it's going to show me that you have some keywords on here, but there's no service areas behind them. So what I would want to do is I'd want to come over here and check out, solar panel, Phoenix, for example. We want to find those Phoenix solar panels. It's got 250 searches right here. Solar panels, Phoenix, Arizona. There's 3 different spellings right here, and they all each have 150 searches. So we want to make sure that those keywords are in our content, bolded and highlighted. Solar panels, Phoenix, Arizona. Here's another one. Solar panel installers, 90. Here's another one, 50. And then we'd also want to go check out all those different areas that you service in. Another thing is I could pull up some of your competitors. So this is South Mountain Window Cleaning. They're in Phoenix, Arizona, but they also do solar panel cleaning. So if I pull up their website and I go check out some of their keywords, we want to see what kind of keywords that they have relative to solar panels. And let's go see what they got. So they have all these keywords, and we want to make sure that, this phone right here, it's got a 40, and it's got a KD of 0, so that's really good. Solar panel cleaners. A lot of these don't have the area behind it, but we want to make sure that we find the ones that are servicing in, and we put those on your content, and that'll really help you guys get found a lot easier. I can pull up another competitor. This is Arizona Clean Solar, and they have 6 organic keywords. See what they got. Solar panel, so that's 40. Here's another one, 100 volume. And then here's another competitor, KB Solar Cleaning, and these guys got 0 keywords. So if I pull up this search right here, you can see that these were the top 3 or the top 2 that I just showed you, and then this guy right here was his website's ranking first. So we really want to make sure that we are beating these guys right here. Let's go check out his. Let's see, it's got 211 keywords. Yeah, so we want to make sure that we have a lot of these keywords in our content. So there's a pretty high volume right here. So we want to make sure that we have this in your content. And that's really going to help you guys get found a lot easier. So the second way is with backlinks and referring domains. And a backlink is basically anywhere one website refers to another website, and Google looks at this to see if your website is trustworthy or not. So the more trust Google has, the higher it's going to rank your website. And backlinks, they come from referring domains. So if that page has a higher rating and it's ranked, that referring domain will transfer that authority to your website. And it's super important to get these backlinks, and it'll add about an extra 20 to 30% click rate from the organic search results. So if I come over here and I check out, you guys, let's go check out again. I don't think you have, you got 6 referring domains and 16 backlinks. But right here you can see that they're not bringing you any power authority, and these backlinks are bringing you no traffic because they are all no follows. So the no follow meaning that you don't transfer any authority from those backlinks or referring domains. So we need to go out and get you some better ones. If I was to pull up these guys, backlinks, you can see they're getting some traffic. But let's go check out the referring domains. And again, it'd be really easy to outrank these guys, and these guys were ranked second, I believe. This guy was ranked first, so we go check out some of his. And you can see right here that they don't have much power. So it'd be really easy to outrank these guys. I'm just trying to throw this out there, and it's going to be because they're all no follows. You can see they're all no follows, so we definitely can outrank these guys, and they're ranking first, and they have a pretty good UR and DR, but it'd be really easy to rank these guys because their backlinks and referring domains aren't really helping them. And I'll pull up one more competitor. This is AZ right here, referring domains, and again, not doing very good over here with the referring domains and their backlinks. No traffic, and they're all no follows. So it'd be really easy to outrank your competitors and get you ranked to the top for right here, because if you are ranking right here and right here, you're going to bring in a lot more traffic and business to your website, and obviously to your business. So the third way is with citations, and citations are basically anywhere your business name and number appear in registries like Yelp and Yellow Pages. So the more we can get, the greater chance you have of getting into the top 3 of the Google Map Pack or ranking your Google Business Profile. So this is your Google Business Profile. Complete solar cleaning. You've got 32 Google reviews. You want to make sure that we have at least 100 plus. Let's go see what your competitors have. So they've got 3, so they're not beating you there. So they might have some more citations. I would just have to go check out their referring domains and see how many citations they have. Let's see what this guy has. He has no website. 16 reviews, 6 reviews. So he's got one little post right here. He's got a little description right here. And let's go check out this guy. And again, yeah, so I mean the competition over there is pretty slim online, even though they're beating you. It'd be really easy to beat you guys, to beat them. So let's go back to yours. So when it comes to your Google Business Profile, this is like a social media profile for Google. So the more you utilize it, the better. And so you got more Google reviews, and you got a 5-star rating, so that's good. So we need some more, and that'll definitely help you rank. But citations is very important. We could get you in about 350 citations. That'll help your GBP rank to the top. And then we also want to optimize this on a monthly basis. We want to add 10 posts a month. We want to make sure that we're adding pictures. We want to make sure that we are geotagging everything and saving our pictures the proper way. And this will really help you guys very quickly rank to the top. We could probably have you ranked for this, for these keyword searches within, 2 to 3 months. Just looking at your competitors, it'd be really easy to rank these guys, or to outrank these guys. So with that being said, man, as an overview, we want to make sure that we are getting content on our website, saving our pictures the proper way, bolding and highlighting and interlinking all of our keywords throughout our website. We want to go out and get some better backlinks and some better referring domains so that we can rank your website organically and by using backlinks. And then we also want to make sure that we are optimizing our GBP and getting that ranked so that we have the top spot on the Google Business Google Business search So when people search for this, we want you right here. We want your website right here. And then if you wanted to run ads, you'd have this spot. So you'd have top spot, top spot, top spot, and you're going to bring so much traffic, so much business to your website, and you're going to see the revenue just going through the roof. So with that being said, I appreciate you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you a lot of this stuff you can do yourself, but if you need help doing it, please give me a call, shoot me an email. I'd love to sit down with you and go over what I can do for your business. And I'd love to help try to grow your business and bring you some more revenue. So again, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you.